Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 235A. This is a 3-inch wide, quarter-inch tall ramp is what it is. It's a piece of equipment that's basically shaped like a triangle and is going to help you mitigate a quarter-inch offset in your floor and do so pretty elegantly. Petite, it's only 3-inch wide. And quarter-inch tall over here, as we said. This is just a 6-inch sample piece for purposes of this video. This is ADA compliant. Okay, this is in the mill aluminum finish. That's what the A in the part number means. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, which I would very much recommend that you review because this is actually a threshold component. It is part and parcel of a larger system that may be very useful to you if you wanted to build yourself, a ramp system that was going to be so many inches deep. Zero can put together those components for you to do so. And as you study that, you'll see that they can get you up to a half-inch transition. You can go, forgive me, I'm mistaken. They can go up to 1 inch on a transition. And then on top of that 1-inch piece, which is their 232A, they can also run that 237 to finish off that piece. So if you were doing a 12-inch deep ramp, you're going to go from 0 to 1 inch, but your top of your higher floor surface was irregular. You could run that 237 over on top of it and finish that off quite elegantly. That would work out really well for you. Now, the reason these pieces are 6-inch by half or 3 by quarter is because it's in accessibility code that your rise and run relationship is 1 to 12. Within 12 inches, I cannot exceed 1 inch in height, and that's why that's important. This is compliant with that sort of relationship completely. Even if this was 3/8, that would violate that rule. Because it's not greater than ½ inch, I'm still okay. But because it would be more than quarter inch, I'm still okay because I have a heavy bevel like this. So this is completely compliant with code. Not available in any other finish. Okay. They can do epoxy abrasive applied to the surface of the units. That might be a really good idea, especially if you're dealing with a slightly wider ramp. I would not state that this would be very slippery, so to speak, with this heavy grooving that they do in their pieces. But if you really needed to have the most slip-resistant possibility, they can apply abrasive epoxy strips to the material to make it incredibly slip resistant, so you might want to review that. Okay, listed in the site in lots of different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know. Just order the next longest piece and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to ship the material out at. We'll be happy to accommodate that without any trouble at all. If you specifically need fastener holes, indicate that. Ramp pieces like this generally don't have holes for screws, so let's talk about it before it's ordered or get it clarified before the material's manufactured. Fasteners, yes or no. Dimples for those fasteners, yes or no. That can be done at generally no additional charge. If you want specific locations, now it costs money because the factory has to, make a drawing. Special fasteners. This will probably just come with number 12 wood screws, quite frankly. If you wanted machine screws and lead expansion anchors, let us know. We can work that into the project as well. Zero is very good at providing that sort of material. Okay, excellent material. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Zero products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. I do like Zero for a lot of reasons. I dislike them as well for a lot of reasons. The same can be said about me personally. What I like about them, and here's why you should know about them. When it comes to sound transmission control gasketing, STC rated material to put onto an STC door and frame, don't look anywhere else. Zero owns that market when it comes to builder's hardware. If you're doing a specialty sort of industrial application for noise reduction, you're probably not going to see builder's hardware material like the Zero product. It'll be quite custom one-off material. But when it comes to man doors, swinging doors that we encounter in the door and hardware industry, Zero is the name that will have the material that's most likely going to be specified for a sound transmission control project. I also have the amateur musician who calls up twice a year and says, hey, I'm a bass player. Hey, I'm a drummer. I'm really trying to keep my wife from going crazy. What can I do? I've done a lot of research. I'm going to insulate this and this, and I'm going to do this and this, and that's all great, and you can easily research that. But at a certain point, you need to gasket the door as well, and we can help you with that. Pull out that Zero catalog, look at the STC ratings, look at what's required to install the material, and then proceed accordingly. Okay. Any questions on the Zero 235A 3 by 1/4 inch ramp or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.